Ma'am, pila yung massage gali?
Whole body sir, 300. Whole body, ano siya, ulo, likod, kamot, tiil.
Pagkon lang, likod lang.
Likod lang, 150. 30 minutes na siya.
150. Kuan mo ko ma'am, vlogger ba? Kantahan ta kabit.
Kanta ka?
Oh, kantahan ta ka, karanahan ta ka mo. Kantahan ta ka. King, di pangalan ma'am, King.
King,
Okay,
dancing. Basta ako mo.
okay ra. Nagmasad, daga na imong gamasad. Dugay ra ka gamasad ma'am.
Kwan sa ko karon sa classes ako sa karon. Sa isa ko yapon ko.
Reply ni mo na.
Absent pa na mong cash.
Wala. So, kakantahan na kita para makamit dumating na customer mo. Ano gusto mo? English, Tagalog?
English.
Sige. Ito, alam mo to. Pag alam mo yung lyrics, pwede mo kong sabayan. Pag hindi, okay lang naman.
A few moments later.
All the loneliness is always been on mine. Leading my life in your head. Familiar.
Familiar. Sige, kanta ko mama.
Yeah. Favorite Backstreet Boys. People say I'm crazy and that I am blind. Risking it all in a glance. How you get me blind, still mystery. I can't get you out of my head. I don't care what is written in history. As long as you're here with me, I don't care who you are, where you're... Ayan mo yung magbabasa ko, bahala sa'yo, kinig kita ng tape. I don't care who you are, where you're from, or what you did. As long as you love me, who you are, where you're from, what you did. As long as you love me, I don't care. As long as you love me. Wala ba palang pakyan? Thank you. Sige na lang. Okay na naman. Say, pangalan yung mag-is. Daksin? Daksin or Daksin?
Daksin, DXDR.
Ako, King. Okay. Well, madalawang tanong ko bago ako umalis. Anong naramdaman mo kanina na hindi mo kilala tapos sabi ko kakantahan kita?
Pero, kwan, magpamasahin.
Hindi naman kinabahan.
Hindi naman.
Pero hindi ako mahula, pero ano naman, happy, kinilig naman dahil kinantahan. Last na tanong, first time ba kinantahan ka in public?
Oo.
So wala pang makapal na mukha ako lang. Ano yung, bakit yung mamang liligaw, kapitbahay mo ng, parang kinantahan ka dati, wala naman. Okay. Salamat sa time ha, salamat again. Okay.
Never thought that I could